conference will now be recorded.
Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to SAP S4 HANA Quality Management Module Training. So today we will be covering the topic QM in repetitive manufacturing. Okay, so this topic is basically the integration between QM and PP modules basically. Okay, so the topics that we are going to cover in this session, they are repetitive manufacturing overview. We will understand what is repetitive manufacturing basically. This is from PP side. Okay, how the quality management is used in repetitive manufacturing, we will see that. Okay, inspection types for repetitive manufacturing. Okay, what are the different inspection types used in repetitive manufacturing? Okay, usage of inspection lot monitor. What is the use of inspection? What is this inspection lot monitor and how it is used? Okay, generation of inspect in process inspection lot in RM. How the in process inspection lot is generated in repetitive manufacturing, we will see that. Generation of inspection lot after production in repetitive manufacturing, that means at the end of the production, GR inspection, how to do that, how the inspection lot is generated, we will see. Then processing of inspection lots in repetitive manufacturing, how these are processed, those things we will cover. Okay, so these are the topics we will be covering in the uh, uh, repetitive manufacturing topic. Okay,
This conference will now be recorded.
okay. So first we'll understand what is repetitive manufacturing. Okay, so this is from PP side basically. Okay, so basically if you recollect our earlier session, inspection in production. Okay, inspection during production, that time we discussed on the discrete manufacturing. Okay, so there are basically three types of industries. One is discrete manufacturing, second one is process manufacturing, and the one which we are discussing today is a repetitive manufacturing. Okay, so I'll just explain in a high level what is discrete manufacturing, what is process manufacturing, and what is repetitive manufacturing. Okay, this is basically PP, but you need to understand at least what is the difference between these three. Okay, discrete manufacturing means it is like a assembly industry. Okay, so where you take the components, you just assemble them, and you get your product, finished product. Okay, but after manufacturing the finished product, you can disassemble it. Okay, so when you disassemble it, you will get the original parts. Suppose let's say you take a company manufacturing bicycles. Okay, so in bicycles what they do, they will take all the components of the bicycle like tire, rim, wheels, okay, handle, all those things, chain, all those things, they will assemble it. Once they assemble, they will get the bicycle. But if you, let's say you want to disassemble it, when you disassemble again, you will be getting the original parts from which this that particular product is manufactured. So that is called discrete manufacturing. Okay, now the process manufacturing means once you manufacture the product, you cannot go back to the original components from which it is manufactured. Suppose let's take the case of ice cream manufacturing industry. So in the ice cream manufacturing industry, you you take some raw materials like powders, liquids, all those things, you manufacture ice cream. But after manufacturing the ice cream, you cannot go back to the original material from which original materials from which it is manufactured. So that is called processing, process manufacturing. Now, repetitive manufacturing means in those industries what happens is you continuously manufacture the same product over a longer period of time. Like let's say take the case of sugar manufacturing industry, same sugar they will continuously manufacture. There are no product changeovers. Okay, there are no machine changeovers. Okay, you don't have different products. So those kind of industries, they go for repetitive manufacturing. Another example could be sugar cement manufacturing industry. So same cement they will manufacturing continuously. Okay, so those kind of industries, they will use this repetitive manufacturing function. Okay, so earlier we covered discrete manufacturing industry, QM in discrete manufacturing, if you recollect. Okay, and process manufacturing, QM in process manufacturing is also more or less same inspection types are used, same inspection types are used, but in repetitive manufacturing you will be using different inspection types, which we will be discussing in a minute. Okay, so that is the high level difference. Okay, so uh, basically it is like a repetitive manufacturing is basically like a mass production where you continuously manufacture the same product over a period of time. Okay, so that's the reason they named it as repetitive. Whereas other discrete, other sorry, whether process manufacturing and other discrete manufacturing, you have different products. Suppose let's say you are manufacturing a bicycles. There are different types of bicycles. Okay, gents bicycle, women's bicycle, kids bicycles, those kind of stuff. Product changeovers will be there. But here normally you will have only one product. In the repetitive manufacturing you have only one product, one finished product, same product they will manufacture continuously. Okay, so repetitive manufacturing environments are characterized by the high volume long term production of goods. That's what I told you. Okay, same product continuously they manufacture. Okay, these goods or materials are produced on the basis of production versions that describe how the product must be manufactured. I will show you this production version. Okay, to support inspections for repetitive manufacturing, you can create inspection lots for production version. So let's say the production is happening, then you want to do quality inspection. Then that time you can create inspection lots. But here you create normally for production version in process. I will show you this. Since a repetitive manufacturing process can run over a longer period of time, you can create several inspection lots for a production version. So same production version, you can create multiple inspection lots. Okay, as the production is run for a longer period of time. I will show you that how to create. However, you can only process one inspection lot at a time. Okay, but you can create multiple inspection lots, but processing you can do only one. So once you complete one lot, you can go to the processing of the next inspection lot. Okay, so that is the repetitive manufacturing basically. Okay, so here you will have production lines. Okay, continuously same product goes through the machinery continuously. Okay, it is a quantity and period based planning and specific quantities per period, and here they will use planned orders. Okay, of course this is pp. Okay, so it is a repetitive production, the same and similar products produced produced over a longer period of time. That is what I just explained. Same repetitive, same product. Okay, so these are the basically characteristics of a repetitive manufacturing. Okay, so now what are the inspection types used in repetitive manufacturing? Okay, so if you recollect in our discrete manufacturing, for the in-process inspection we used inspection type 03 with inspection lot origin 03. Same thing in process manufacturing also, same thing. But in repetitive manufacturing you will be using the inspection type 13 for in-process with inspection lot origin 13. That is the difference. Okay, so that is a inspection type. So what are the prerequisites? You can create an inspection lot for a production version if the following prerequisites are fulfilled. One is metal master. In the metal master, you need to activate inspection type 13. This is in-process inspection for repetitive manufacturing in the QM view. Okay, and here you will be using the rate routing. Task list. In discrete manufacturing, if you recollect, we used normal routing, but here we will be using the rate routing. Assign characteristics to operations where inspections are needed. So you will assign the MICs, our MICs to the rate routing. I will show you this in the system. Ensure the control key for these operations has milestone confirmation. Activate to trigger inspections at reporting point. So they will have a reporting point also during confirmation. I will show you this in the system. Okay. Next, production version. Link the material and rate routing in the production version. So this production version is a main. So normally you will create lots for this production version. Okay. So now let's go to the system, and first we will understand the settings required from PP side to create a to execute the function repetitive manufacturing. Okay, repetitive manufacturing. So let me go to the system. Okay, so I will take a product. This is a product I'm taking, material. Okay, for the repetitive manufacturing. So basically, to execute repetitive manufacturing for this material, the PP team will do the settings here in the MRP4 view. In the MRP4 view, plant 1010, the plant is 10, they will activate this checkbox,